You are currently looking at a ceiling in Chester, Idaho. In the background, you may hear chimes, loud and high. And behind that, you may even hear the howling wind, the ravaging, savaging, blowing wind. Do you want to look at it? This is it. The wall is covered with snow.
Get a better view right there.
This rock is covered with snow. The trees are covered in snow. Even the snow is covered in snow. The bushes, the railings. You cannot see even that far out. Only to that tree out there. I'm surprised it's still standing. This wind is howling 60 miles per hour. Deadly, dangerous. Could kill anyone any day. Might even kill you someday. Dun, 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 dun. Our snow is deep. Before we could see all the way out to that silhouette back there, our guest house. We can see past that all the way to the canal. Today, we can barely make out the guest house. That may not even be the guest house. That may be some alien ship disguised as the guest house. For all we know, we're dead.